Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and let's be plant friends. So as you can see, we are slowly adding plants and some decorations into the plant room. And I have some decorations that I ordered online. I'm going to open up with you. I'm also going to do an update on the silicone vases that I have. And I'll just give you, I'll give you a pan of what's in my grow tent. The room's not done yet, so I'm not gonna show you that until it's like done. You just getting bits and pieces. So yeah, it's just gonna be like just a random planty update video. So yeah, alrighty. Alright, actually, I was gonna turn you down, but the box is kind of big and it's like an awkward, it would be awkward. So I'm just gonna open it up. You hear me rip open the box, and I'm just gonna show you in front of my face. Okay. There are 4 things in this package. 2 are double. So the first thing is this thing. This is with car wedding plants. Okay. So these are little geode, like hanging sun catchers. I'll open them really quick so you can see what they look like. Here's the green one. Here, raccoon. It has a rose quartz. Maybe on my shirt would be better. I don't know. I feel like I'm really pale, so I don't know. We got the green one. Oh, that's right. They all have like a different design. So this one has the rose quartz. This one is a purple geode agate cut piece. And this one, ooh, has a little star. There's a purple. And then these guys, these little pieces like catch and reflect the sun. There was 5 total in the package that I ordered it. I don't remember how much it was, but if you want to know, leave me a comment below and I'll figure it out. We got a little diamond piece with the yellow and all these different beads. Come out of my face probably, right? And then the sun catcher piece. Alright, then we have the pink one with the little, it's not an angel, it's like a upside down flower piece. To the pink, to the pretty beads, to the little glass catcher. And the last one of this is blue. So I think all we would need is an orange one to have the whole rainbow. But so we got the little pieces. We got like a little hexagon shape. And then it just goes down to this pretty blue. Yeah, so I plan to hang these where the sun is going to reflect, and you'll have to tune in to see where I hang them. Okay, the next thing I got is in this blue box, and it's also a decoration. If I'm remembering right, yeah, it's a decoration. It's also kind of like a sun catcher. I've been like really into sun catchers lately, and there were 3 in this package. All right, so what I'm gonna do is actually unwrap them all and then show you, so it's like less chaos. Okay, so the first one has a little green bead. And it they're all like peacock feather designed, and then it has the reflecting glass right here. This is the first one. I don't know if you can tell, but the edge around it also is like a rainbow. Very pretty. The next one looks like this. It's more of a purple hue. And then this is what the bottom piece and the reflector part looks like. And the third one looks like this. And it's got some blue and the little reflector piece down there. So those are the little decorations I have for like my windows and just around the house. And then I bought their little dream catchers, and I bought them in the shade white. I really like dream catchers. I live near a reservation, so I'll go there and I buy like dream catchers every, whenever I feel the need to buy one. But I wanted to kind of get this and incorporate my nieces and nephews with them. So what I think I'm going to do, I have food coloring dye. This is the little moon-shaped one. And what I'm going to do is have them dye it with the food coloring and make little like rainbow-esque wall decorations. These aren't really like dream catchers, but they're more wall decorations, really. So there was the moon one. There is a circle one. And a star one. So I thought that would be a cute little thing to do with the kids, and then they can have their own. They can put it up on their wall, and then I'll keep one and put it up somewhere. But yeah, so that's my I guess Amazon decoration haul for my Planty room. And next time, or in a couple seconds for you, and a couple of minutes for me, we'll be in the other room where the silicone vase window sticky thing is set up, and I will go over that with you, pros and cons, and yeah. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so you're gonna hear the fan in the background, but it's not going off. It is way too hot. So these are the little silicone vase. Let me move my little dream catcher. Right, so this is the silicone vase setup that we had earlier. First issue, I set this up when it was still cold out, not thinking about having to open the window. If you're gonna get these, put them on like the bottom part of the window so you can open the window. So we'll be moving those today. But we had Scindapsus, which has grown. I mean, it put out a lot of small leaves, but we weren't putting any fertilizer in it. This is Pothos. And then this is Philodendron. The neon looks like it did not do well. And then in here I had Hoya. That I actually included in a little giveaway. It rooted. It did fine. As far as like a propagation setup, they work. Right? This happened because I forgot to add water. So it dried up. But when you remember to put water in it, it works. The issue I have is you gotta pull it down every time you want to clean it. Like you can see, like, ooh, like this one needs to be cleaned. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull them down, clean them out, and put them over here. And yeah, but overall they work. Is it something I would buy myself? No, but you know, if you get a gift, you use it. And yeah, so we're gonna use it. We're gonna clean up the plants that are in it. I kind of forgot about it for too long, obviously. Just like recently poured water in it, but yeah, we'll redo all this. So let me put you down, and or I'll try to hold this and peel one of these off. I'll peel this one because it doesn't have any plants, and we'll see how easy it peels off. Oh, it doesn't. Okay. It's like adhered itself to there. What the hell? These need to come. They are not coming off. Oh wow. They're like really stuck on there. I don't know if the heat, they kind of like melted themselves onto the window, but like they're not coming off. Alright, I'm gonna have to put you down. Hold on. Okay, so they're not coming off. Like, as you can see, I'm like ripping at it. Like, it's not coming off. And they're supposed to come off. These are not supposed to adhere to anything. But, oh my fucking god. Okay, so this is gonna be a project for another day because it's nighttime and I ain't got time for this. So yeah, I don't recommend these at all, actually. Don't get them. Don't put them anywhere you don't want them to get stuck on forever. Just use regular cups or, you know, anything else. I don't know. I really am so confused how these like stuck themselves on there. Like, what the? And you saw me when I put them on. Like, they peeled off. I rearranged them. There was no sticky adhesive. I don't know. The silicone started to melt. It adhered itself to glass. I don't know. But, yeah. So, I guess another day we'll be scraping these off the window. But, yeah, so that's about it, I guess. Alright, guys, so this is a quick little view of what we have in the grow tent. I have some Tradescantia cuttings, some sage, some herbs that are desperately in need of water. Yeah, a bunch of the stuff I just got in the mail. The Monstera Peru, I probably have to move that. And then we got the two bundles. We have the Hoya bundle and the Peperomia bundle still here. But yeah, this is it for now. Alright guys, so that's it. We opened up some decorations from Amazon. We discovered that the silicone window vase things that I have are no good. Don't get them. Do not recommend. And we saw a little update on what's in the grow tent. And yeah. If you have any tips or tricks on how to get those silicone vases off the window, let me know. I don't want to spend all day scraping it off. But anyway, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.